Hello guys, my name is Ali. On this channel we talk about making money online. If this is something you're interested in, click that subscribe button and continue on watching. Today's topic is going to be on how to apply for a brand under the Impact platform. Impact is basically is an affiliate platform that houses or offers hundreds or maybe thousands of affiliate programs. For example, you guys could see I have AppSumo. This is a brand new account I just started. I applied for AppSumo over here, and I applied for Walmart. So I'm an affiliate for both of these guys here. Today's video is going to be pretty quick. I'm going to talk about how to search for a brand. Today I decided to I was looking into Acorns. Acorns, it's an investing app. It seems pretty cool. A lot of people are interested in it. Over here it says we funded customers over $6 million from wasted money. What this app does is pretty cool. What it does, it rounds off your change to the nearest dollar. So if you make a purchase for $6.51, it would take the 49 cents and it would round it to 50 cents and it would invest it into this into the stocks for you. You don't have to do any work on your end whatsoever. So it's a pretty cool app, and it's also free if you are a college student. If you were to pay for it out of your own pocket, it's only $1 a month, and there's 3 different options. If you want to create a checking account actually with Acorns app, it's only $3 a month, and also it will allow you to invest. So just look at the link. Today's video is not about Acorn, it's just about how to search for a brand under Impact. So basically when you log in here, again, this is a brand new account. Over here I only have 105 clicks, which is pretty decent. You would go to brands over here, and you would go find brands, and wait for the next screen to load up here. Okay. So when this screen loads up, it's gonna basically take you to the home screen where all the brands are over here, and you can go down and search for whatever you want, or you can go directly up here and search. Okay. You would just click on click in the search window, type in Acorns, and it would list it right here. Okay, all you got to do is just click on, you can favorite that, you can heart it if you want to, and you can click on this little check mark over here, and over here it says remove from my favorites, apply CSV. So we want to go apply excuse me, and you would have to scroll down and basically by clicking apply to the selected brands, I understand that if the brand approves my application, we will both be legally bounded by these terms. So you come down here and you click the apply to selected brands, and basically that right now at this point you're applied. You come back over here to featured, and that takes you back to the home screen, and you can basically scroll. You can say view all here, and it would list everything there is. Like those are, when you click on featured, those are the ones that are like pretty hot right now, and that's where people are making more money, and that's where the affiliate program is paying the affiliates great commission. So those are all pretty hot over here. You got the Smart App, Bitflyer, I guess Bitcoin's pretty hot over here. Stamp. I'm not familiar with all these apps. I'm pretty sure the link's going to be below. If you guys want to check it out, click the link in the description below, and it'll take you to this link. Set up an account. It's all free. It doesn't cost you anything, and you can create a YouTube channel and do what I'm doing right now. Just do a review or just provide helpful tips and create audience, and then just kind of promote this product to them as you go. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Again, my name is Ali. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. One last thing, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to share it. This way we can help other people make money online and build a side hustle or a side income. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful day. Talk to you soon.